Looking for the best cabin air filters? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 cabin air filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. AC Delco CF188 GM Original Equipment Cabin Air Filter. Has an arrow pointing in airflow direction to ensure you don't install it backwards. Mixed media, multi-layer construction captures more particles while increasing airflow for higher efficiency. GM recommended replacement part. Fits perfectly without any trimming or pushing, but it lacks the baking soda odor reducing factor of the other choices. No baking soda filtration, unlike other brands. At number 2. EP Auto Premium Cabin Air Filter. Fits Honda and Acura vehicles. Contains baking soda and carbon to generate fresh air. Easy to replace. Good price point. Available as a single or in packs of 2 or 3. Far better value than an OEM filter. A simple, cost-effective air filter that utilizes a standardized design for ease of installation. Grey carbon filter means it's difficult to visually inspect for dirt. Doesn't filter out as much vehicle exhaust as some customers would like. At number 1. Spearhead Premium Breathe Easy Cabin Filter. Filter is precision woven with real coconut shell and activated carbon. Designed to be twice as heavy and last 25% longer than standard filters. Comes in several sizes to fit your vehicle. Great for areas with poor air quality. With its improved lifespan and activated carbon design, this product provides more filtration than its competitors. This product is heavy and stiff, which may make it slightly harder to install than a standard filter. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.